Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's the topic that we are going to discuss is the preparation of salt. What is salt? It's an ionic compound which is formed by the hydrogen ion when hydrogen from an acid is replaced by a metal ion or a ammonium ion. Now the solubility of the salts is given over here. The different salts like the sodium, all, potassium salt and the ammonium, all are soluble. Again the same for the nitrates and ethanoates. The chlorides, all chlorides are soluble except silver chloride and lead chloride. Then sulfates, all are soluble except barium, calcium and lead. Then all carbonates are insoluble except sodium, potassium and ammonium. In the same way the hydroxide. Now the method for the preparation of the salt, the thing that we have to keep in mind that the soluble salts and the insoluble salts. So we use a different method for the preparation of soluble salts and insoluble salt. Let's suppose if the salt is soluble, then we use, like, there are the two methods. If the salt soluble or not soluble. If not soluble in water, then we use the precipitation method. If soluble, then further we use the two methods. The one is reaction with acids, acid with metal, acid with base and acid with any carbonate. Then they are categorized according to that whether this the method that we are going to use in which the reactants are soluble or insoluble. So is the starting material for making the salt soluble in water? Fine. If yes, then we will use the titration method, means acid with alkali solution, acid with any carbonate, that will be the both that will be soluble. In that case we use the method. And if all the metals, excess insoluble base and insoluble carbonate, it react with acid to form the salt solution. And then how we can get the crystals of these salts? By concentrating, crystallizing and then filtering. Let's start the preparation of the soluble method 1, soluble salt by method 1. The method 1 is add the dilute acid in a beaker and heat it. Then the insoluble metal, insoluble base or the carbonates, then filter the mixture to remove the excess base. So we use the filtrate to heat that filtrate till saturation point, and then we will allow to cool, and then by folding in the filter paper we get the crystals. This is the graphical representation of the first one, how we will add the acid into acid mixed with any base, any metal or carbonate into this beaker for heating. Then after heating we will get the filtrate by passing it from the filter paper. Then this basically filtrate will be again heated to get the crystals, and we will heat till to the saturation point and then allow to cool down, and then we get the the crystals by making all the crystals by passing from from the drying process. Some of the examples are given. Copper oxide solid means insoluble, zinc insoluble, zinc carbonate insoluble. So all these are the three examples of insoluble when we mixed it with any acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. You can it could be with the HCl, hydrochloric acid. So this is one of the method in which we can prepare the salt, the soluble salt, by using these insoluble reactants with acid.